Active Data's duplicate detection feature allows you to spot duplicate rows in your data. Here we're going to look for duplicate invoice numbers within our invoices sheet. We're going to ask Active Data to extract them to a separate worksheet. We can also ask Active Data to create a sheet with the duplicates removed, or a sheet containing only the items that weren't duplicated. In this case, the result is a sheet listing the duplicated invoice numbers. Active Data adds a link to the original row so that we can go back and examine the row in the context of the original sheet. You'll also notice that if you right-click on the sheet, Active Data will allow you to navigate back to the previous sheet. This is similar to the back button on your web browser. Active Data also lets you use same, different logic when detecting duplicates. Here we're going to extract duplicates. We're going to enable the same, different logic. Then we're going to tell Active Data that rows with the same date, the same amount, but a different salesperson number should be considered duplicates. The result is a sheet listing the items that match the duplicate detection criteria. It's often useful to be able to pull information from other sheets. In this case, what we want to do is grab the salesperson's name from the salesperson sheet using the Merge Sheets feature. Here we'll ask it to merge on the salesperson column and to extract name, date of birth, and hire date from the salesperson sheet. That information is then brought in, and we can see that for salesperson number 26, there was no match.